got it all cleaned up. Good as new-ish. So a little recap of last night. We took the car out. First race since Caney. We literally worked on this thing until
20 minutes before we left.
Not even. I was still working on it when I got to the racetrack. But what in the world? But we worked on this thing. We stopped at 3 o'clock, and we leave the house at 3:45. Got to the racetrack, unloaded it. When I got there, I realized I have not staggered my A-feature tires yet. So I quickly staggered those, and then I'm like, okay, I got those staggered. And then I realized I didn't put power steering fluid in it because this power steering pump leaks. Put power steering fluid in it. I'm like, okay, I think that's all. And then right when I was getting my seat and stuff on, I'm like, crap, I never realized I put gas in it. So I had to hurry and put gas in it. And then right when I was doing that, I realized I still had my Caney set up on the front end of this car. It did not heat race good. It did not like it. Realized that. I changed it back to my Salina stuff for the feature. Car mate was a little bit better. It just felt like I could move it top, bottom, middle, wherever I wanted to. Car was fast. It reacted. I just really couldn't. I got behind the 22 car. He's raced there a long time. I just couldn't get around him. Got held up. Not a big deal. It happens. Still was able to drive from 17th where I started.
To 9th.
You drove it to 9th. Didn't hit nobody. Intentionally, I should say. I did get into the 100 car by accident. He went to brake check, I think, and then I was getting back in the gas. I don't know. Like I said, I didn't mean to. So I'll take it. Salina is not racing this Saturday, which is I believe it's the 13th. Don't hold me to that. They're not racing, so we're going to take that weekend off. My pull truck decided it was going to go down on me, so I got to fix that. So that thing's going to be sitting this weekend. We're going to take a much needed weekend off. We're going to come back the last two races. They'll be the 20th and the 27th on the My Race app. And those are the last 2 points nights. And we looked, I am 16 points I'm sitting 11th in points right now. I'm 16 points behind the guy in the 10th spot. I have been crawling for the last 2 races trying to get into the top 10 because this is probably going to be my last season for a while because just family stuff that's happened. So I just wanted 1 year where I could get a top 10 trophy with my name on it because I've never gotten one before. So hopefully, fingers crossed, we can get it done. So moving on. I'm going to take this week off, like I said. Didn't really hurt nothing on the car. I'll still go over it and check everything out. But I want to...
What do you mean you get hurt?
Yeah, that's just... But yeah, I want to thank everybody on the side of this car that helps. 49 Recycling out of Muskogee. That is my good buddy Cody. He came on board this year and said, I want to sponsor you. Just name anything I can do. So he's been helping me out. I want to say thank you to Hatch Carburation. Without him, I know I wouldn't be able to deliver the power to the ground with this thing like it should. And I want to say a special thank you to McElroy Farms out of Shoto. They came on board earlier this year and have been helping us ever since. I want to just thank you to all of them. And just without them, it'd be really, really hard to do what we racers all love to do. So that's it from here. I'll catch y'all later. Love y'all.